The next options in our data menu are named ranges and protected sheets and ranges. What this does is it allows you easy access to a specific range, or it allows you to limit access to who can edit data within a spreadsheet. So first let's look at named ranges. Right now, I don't have any named ranges, but maybe if I click Add a Range, I might want to name the individual mulch bags. So cypress, hardwood, red, and black. I can select that area and I can choose the name of the range. So I'm going to name this mulch types. And then in my range box, I'm going to select those 4 columns. And then I press OK. A lot of times you'll use a named range within a formula or a function that we'll look at very soon. So if you look below, we could do equals sum of mulch types, and that would give us the sum without us having to type in the direct range of cells. So now you can name any range on your spreadsheet to easily get back to it. Next, you can protect your cells on your spreadsheet. So maybe on a pivot table, I don't want anyone else to mess with that pivot table. If I go to Data and then Protected Sheets and Ranges, I can add a sheet or a range of cells that I would like to protect. So I'm going to click Add a Sheet or Range. And my description is just going to be pivot table. Then I'm going to tell it that I don't just want a range, I want to protect this whole sheet. So I make sure I have my pivot table sheet selected, and then I click Set Permissions. When I click on Set Permissions, it'll let me choose who I would like to give access to this document. So I can choose that I only want myself to have access to this document. And then I can click Done. I can also add other people if I would like, but you can restrict who can edit what parts of your spreadsheet. For the range of cells, maybe I want to give editing access to just the range through row 25 to one person. I can click Add a Sheet or Range, and I can say first 25. And when I set permissions, I can say that maybe only myself and Jason can edit those cells on this spreadsheet. So you can limit based on whatever parameters you like and whatever would work for your data in your spreadsheet.